Welcome back to Electrify. If you're thinking about getting a Tesla Model 3 or just curious about how much it costs to own one, you've come to the right place. Today, we're breaking down every aspect of Tesla Model 3 ownership from the initial purchase price to long-term expenses. We're here to help you understand the total cost of ownership so you can make an informed decision. So let's dive in. Owning a Tesla Model 3 is an exciting prospect, but it's important to know what you're getting into financially from buying the car to maintaining it. There's a lot to consider. In this video, we'll cover the purchase price, charging cost, maintenance, insurance, potential savings, and more. Let's get started with the initial purchase price. The Tesla Model 3 is available in several trims, each with its own price point. As of 2025, for the rear-wheel drive model starts around $41,000, including the $7,500 federal EV tax credit. This version offers a great balance of performance and range for most drivers. If you're looking for more range in dual-motor all-wheel drive, the long-range all-wheel drive model starts at about $46,000. Remember, these prices can vary based on options, upgrades, taxes, incentives of the state in which you are located. Here's a quick overview of what you get with each trim. The rear-wheel drive provides a range of around 200 miles on a full charge and features a minimalist interior with a 15-inch touchscreen. The long-range model extends that range to about 341 miles and adds dual-motor, all-wheel drive for better traction and performance. Customization is another factor to consider. Tesla offers a variety of paint colors, wheel options, and interior materials. These can add several $1,000s to the final price. For example, premium paint colors can cost up to $2,000, and the full self-driving capability option is an additional $8,000. Tesla frequently updates features and pricing, so it's worth checking their website for the latest information. Next up is charging at home. You have the option to use a standard 120-volt outlet or install a 240-volt outlet for faster charging. The recommended setup is Tesla Wall Connector, which costs around $500. Installation costs can vary depending on your home's electrical system. For a typical home installation, you might be looking at an additional $500 to $1,500. Charging at home is usually more cost-effective compared to using public chargers. On average, home charging costs around 3 cents to 5 cents per mile. On an average, a typical person in U.S. drives about 42 miles a day. So according to this, it translates to about 1,260 miles a month, which costs about $38 to $63 per month if the charging is done only at home. However, if you frequently travel long distances, you might use Tesla's supercharger network. While convenient, supercharging can cost between 25 cents and 40 cents per kilowatt hour, depending on your location. While on Supercharger, this costs between $63 and $100 a month, and between $756 and $1,210 per year. One of the major benefits of owning an electric vehicle like the Model 3 is the reduced maintenance requirements. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts compared to traditional combustion engines, which means fewer things can go wrong. For the Model 3, routine maintenance includes tire rotations, brake checks, and air filter replacements. Generally, you'll spend between $300 and $500 annually on these services. One unique feature of the Model 3 is regenerative braking, which extends the life of your brake pads. Regenerative braking helps slow the car down by using the electric motor, which means you don't use the brakes as much. As a result, brake pads can last up to 50,000 miles or more. Overall, the cost of maintenance for a Tesla Model 3 is generally lower than for a traditional gasoline vehicle. However, you should still budget for occasional repairs, especially if your vehicle is out of warranty. Many insurance companies offer specific plans for electric vehicles. Some insurers even provide discounts for features like Tesla's autopilot and safety systems. It's a good idea to shop around and compare quotes to find the best coverage and rates. Tesla offers a comprehensive warranty for the Model 3, which includes a 4-year or 50,000-mile basic warranty and an 8-year or unlimited mileage battery warranty. This warranty covers most major components and gives you peace of mind. Additionally, Tesla provides roadside assistance, which can be incredibly helpful in case of unexpected issues. Resale value is another important consideration. Historically, electric vehicles have depreciated faster than traditional cars, but the Model 3 has shown strong resale values. Factors such as Tesla's brand reputation, vehicle performance, and market demand can positively impact the resale value of your Model 3. In general, you can get 50% of the purchase price as the resale value in 5 years, which comes around $20,000 for the rear-wheel drive and $23,000 for the long-range all-wheel drive. So after calculating all the points for the total cost of ownership, it comes around $43,800 for the rear-wheel drive and $47,000 for the all-wheel drive model. Still, this can vary according to your location, driving habits, driving conditions, and many more things. In summary, the Tesla Model 3 has a higher initial purchase price compared to some traditional vehicles, but its lower fuel and maintenance costs, along with potential tax incentives, can make it a cost-effective choice over time. The Model 3 offers a unique combination of savings and performance, making it a compelling option for many drivers. Thank you for joining us as we explore the cost of owning a Tesla Model 3. We hope this video has given you a clearer picture of what to expect financially. If you enjoy this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content on electric vehicles and automotive news. Got any questions or thoughts about the Model 3? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, drive safely, stay electric, and keep exploring